What exactly is this Flutter multi-dex port issue? As your Flutter app grows or when you integrate various plugins and dependencies, you might exceed the method limit. When the limit is exceeded, you will encounter a build error starting or stating that the method limit has been surpassed. So now comes the question how to solve this. For that, search for this file build.gradle. You have to open the file that is in the app level directory. As you can see, this is in the app level directory. Let's open this. Okay. So now you have to find a section over here that is named as default config. In this section, you just have to write a piece of line, which is multi-dex enabled and set it to true. That's it. Now let's try to run the app. I will fast forward this section, and this is just for the demonstration that the thing we have done is working. As you can see, let me show you. You can see our app is running. Okay, so that's it for the video.